Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix the error code 0x82D40007 and occurs when launching the game. So in order to fix this issue, it's pretty simple. The first thing I would recommend you guys doing is clicking on the Xbox logo on your controller, heading over to Profile and System, and clicking on Sign Out. Once you do that, you can sign back in and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method I would recommend you guys doing is heading over to Accounts, clicking on Remove Account, and then again just add your account back in. And yeah, so once you do that as well, the third method I recommend you guys doing is heading over to General, heading over to Network Settings, and then you're going to go to Advanced Settings. From Advanced Settings, you're going to change your primary and secondary DNS. You're going to change the primary to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now, once you do both of those, you can go ahead and test your network connection, make sure everything is working fine. I also recommend turning off your Xbox or restarting it. It's up to you. And also, once you turn it back on, you should be good to go. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.